There we go.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Brian. That's Brendan.
Hello.
And we're going to get you caught up on the old Impala. We've done a few things behind the scenes because we got one goal tonight. Just one. And that's to do a burnout.
Will she do a burnout? That's what we hope.
Brakes, we already have kind of got it set up to where we can test this theory.
We've got enough brake.
We got enough, but we're also going to use some 4x4s just in case. Because we haven't bled them or anything. And we're still having some issues with one of the wheel cylinders. So, we're just going to kind of play it by ear.
Work in progress.
That's all it is. So guys, we went ahead and we got hoses all hooked up. Bypassed the heater cord. Tried running it and it dumped antifreeze all over the floorboard. Pulled off the old AC compressor because, as you can see right now, no AC. So, you know, we got the new master cylinder on it last time. We got some brakes. What else have we done to it? Oh, big thing. When I backed it out last time, we did not have a shifter. We got a shifter now. So that is huge right there. I've got it ran with the hot wire still because I'm waiting on my key to come in for this thing. And if they can't get it, then I'm going to just order a new ignition switch and tumbler. No big deal. It happens.
It happens. But we got some radiator hoses on it, and we got some coolant in there now, so we're not going to overheat it. That's a big plus.
That's huge. Got your, yeah, it needs a little bit more antifreeze, but we kind of ran a little low, so we topped it off with water.
We still need an overflow jug, too.
That, and it's going to be getting gauges before we go to the show, so it's going to lose a little when we go to put the gauges in, and that's the perfect time to top it back off with antifreeze. Because these old cars, all they had was dummy lights. I don't understand why. You know, 60s I thought would have had gauges, but for some reason, this car has dummy lights. And we're not about the dummy light life. Say that 3 times.
We like to know what the actual temperature is.
Yeah.
Not just, hey, you're low or you're hot.
So, kind of got you caught up on what's been going on. It's been a couple weeks since we done anything else to it. But I work a full-time job plus run an actual mechanic business, and we do this. So yeah, life gets in the way, but let's see if we can get it to do a burnout. Gonna go ahead and let's get this piece fired up, see what she does. Uh-oh, no juicy, Brendan.
No juice. Probably got a loosey wire here. Okay, well, it was going. There you go. What? Oh, hey. They're just pushing the blocks. Gotta kick the old blocks in real good. Yeah, she's spinning the tire, but she's also pushing. Well, this is the only wheel that's actually got brake on it. a sliding on us. She's squealing tires, though. And that is how you do a burnout there, guys.
Woo. Yeah.
Where are you?
That's how you do it.
There it is. We got her that time. Now we can't breathe. Good thing I put the fan back there to help blow some of that out.
Woo. Now, boys, just remember.
Until next time.
Don't forget to do a burnout.
Don't forget to do a burnout.